All the weather models that we talk about all the time, they come from data just like that. We've got to send planes up there to get the information so that we can feed the models, and then the models try to interpret what's going to happen. So there's a rundown of basic weather forecasting. Look at these rain totals in the last 48 hours across the Florida Peninsula. Where you see that big strip of white, that is the bullseye for rain totals. We had more than 16 inches of rain reported north of Fort Myers, nearly 14 inches of rain. That's close to Lakeland and Winter Haven there on I-4 if you're familiar with Florida. Close to 10 inches of rain in Orlando, and you saw those numbers just jump up. More than 12 inches of rain north of Orlando, between Orlando and Daytona Beach. This is a live look at I-4 in downtown Orlando early this morning. Here's why I want to show you this. The wind, it looks calm, but that's a street light. Do you see it wobbling back and forth? That's the wind making those street lights wobble. There's a lot of rain still falling in Orlando. It is now, Ian is a tropical storm with sustained winds at 65 miles per hour. They're gusting to 75 miles per hour. There is still a lot of rain coming into Daytona Beach, north of Orlando, and all the way up to Jacksonville and St. Augustine. And this will continue moving to the north and east. Watch as it goes through the day today. It's going to move back out over the Atlantic Ocean, and it will bring heavy rainfall to the Georgia coast, South Carolina, North Carolina. By early tomorrow morning, some very heavy rainfall and windy conditions from Charleston up to the Outer Banks, and then the heavy rain stretches into Virginia by tomorrow afternoon. And West Virginia will get on that as well. All right, let's go home because it is very quiet here locally. 46 degrees with a light wind. We've got a clear sky overhead, some 30s and 40s outside. A few areas do have a wind chill early this morning. We are expecting a bit of a breeze today, but sunshine still, a few high clouds. Mid to upper 60s for highs in Des Moines. We should briefly touch 70 degrees this afternoon. Most of us, though, will be between about 68 and 71. And again, there will be a bit of a breeze. That breeze today coming out of the southeast about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Occasional wind gusts in Iowa near 20 miles per hour. That'll be highest in western Iowa. The whole plumbing and heating 10-day forecast still hasn't changed a whole lot. Very quiet. I did add a 10% chance of rain in tomorrow. It's for a few sprinkles over northern Iowa in the afternoon and evening. No big deal. The weekend looks dry, and then there might be a few showers coming in on Tuesday. That is still something we're trying to iron out.